I am so Mickey. I'm leader of the clubhouse.
Well, if you're Mickey, then you'd know everything.
Under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds. And keep in mind, it is only a test. After that, the limit will be in this seat. We'll see you tomorrow.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas: Oregon, Clark, Washington, at 12:15 a.m. on February 5th, 2019, effective until 3:15 a.m. The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system, now being tested, is activated for Amber Alerts. When children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children, the National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their time to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
Where's the ground going? This can't be right. Now what, Hopsy, shoo-be-doo.